Welcome to the in front of me Nubia Red Magic 7, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So to do that, we should first open the notification panel, and here you should find the mute mode icon. Just to activate silent mode, click here on the once on this mute icon. Now our incoming calls, notifications, they will be muted. So this means that the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off, just click here on this icon again, and now our ringtones, just calls, medias, they will ring. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just press first up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then click here twice on this bell icon. And if you wanna turn it off by the same way, just click here on the once on this bell icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.